Hey, what is up everybody? Welcome back to my channel. Welcome to probably my second video. So in this video I am going to do an unboxing and quick review of the Boya M1 microphone. I got this from Amazon from the Great Indian Festival at $7.99. So I thought it was a great deal because if you see the MRP on the box, it's written 1995 rupees. So $7.99 was a good deal. Now let's do a quick unboxing, see what comes in the box. Is it really that good as reviewers tell on YouTube? Because I got it after seeing all the reviews on YouTube, and we will do a quick test. So let's start. So here is the box packing of the Boya M1 microphone. As you can see, it's a pretty small box. On the back you get all your specifications and features that you get with the microphone. So let's open the box and see what comes in the box. Here we go. So right after opening the box you get three things. First of all, of course, a user manual. This is your user manual for the mic. Let's keep it aside. Then we have our warranty card. This comes with 1 year warranty. And then this leather pouch where you get all the accessories and the mic itself. So let's see what comes in this pouch. So first you get this smaller pouch. Inside this you have quite a few things. First you have a tiny windscreen for the microphone itself. Then you get an adapter. If you want to use it, you can use it. I'm not going to use it at all. And then you get two things. The LR44 battery that this mic uses. So with one of these batteries you could get up to 700 hours of battery life. And this is the clip with the help of which you are going to clip it to your collar of your clothing. Let's see what else comes. So this is the mic, I think so. Come out, come on. Okay. So this is the microphone itself. So this is the cable. This is 6 meters long, which is really nice. So if you're away from the camera, that's not a problem. This is the control module, and this is the main microphone. So is it in focus? Yes. So this is the main microphone. So you have to attach the windscreen to the microphone. You have to give a little pressure to it. So let's attach the microphone. So now we have attached the windscreen to the microphone and it is now ready to use. So first you have to put in the battery. So for putting in the battery, this module opens up. So if you can see, this top part actually opens up by spinning. Sorry for the bike going by, that was distracting. So here you have to put in your LR44 battery. So let's take that out of this packet. So now I have attached the battery to the microphone. So I'm showing you. After opening, you will see the battery slot. So I have now inserted the LR44 battery that comes with the mic. You could get these easily in the market, so that's not a problem. If the battery dies, you can just easily get another battery. That's this back. And I have also attached the windshield to the microphone. If you can see, that's the windshield, so it will cut all the wind noise that comes in your videos. So it will not be a problem with the windshield. Now let's take a quick overview of the mic. So this is a shorter cable and this is the longer cable. So this is 6 meters long. On the module you have a switch. So there are two modes. One for smartphones, if you can see the writing. One for smartphones, which is the off mode. That means when you are using it with a smartphone, you don't need to use the battery, so it will not use the battery while being used with smartphones. And if you slide it up, it will go to cameras. So this mode is for, you know, if you're using a camcorder or a camera like I am using, so you have to use this mode. So this will use the battery. So yes. And then we have our mic input. You have to plug this in into your camera's microphone jack. Now let's do a audio test. Enough talking, enough unboxing. So now let's do the main test, the audio test. So now I have attached the mic, so you can see it here. This is the mic. So first I have attached the cable to my camera, and then I have laid it on the ground because it is a really long cable, and then put the rest of the cable inside my shirt, and then I have attached it to the collar of my shirt with the clip that comes with it. So a few things to keep in mind while using this mic. Make sure your camera is in manual sound recording mode, and you should test the mic according to your voice. You have to set the decibels. So the camera always changes the decibels if you keep it in auto mode, so that will not be good. Just keep a particular decibel set in manual mode, so that will also help. Also, please plug it into your microphone input on your camera. Don't be confused with a remote input or a headphone jack. So you can see it is written mic on the top of the jack, at least on my camera. So keep that in mind while using this mic. Also, please hide the cable, or it will look really bad if the cable just lies on your shirt. And take a if you can, wear a round collared shirt, so you can clip it more easily on your shirt, and try to keep it as close to your mouth as possible. That will give you better results. So those were my thoughts on the Boya M1. If you want to buy this microphone, I will leave a link in the description for the Amazon link for this microphone. If you want to see other reviews that I watched and bought this microphone, I will also link those in the description. So that is it guys for this video. If you enjoyed this video, do hit the like button. Maybe you will consider subscribing. So that's it for this video. I will see you in the next video.